back.
We got
Wendy's. We're on break from class.
Yeah, we take a review course, and it was getting irritating as fuck.
We got 20 minutes.
And so I was like, well, if I'm being irritated, might as well. So here's my fry. I got some nuggets. I got fries, and I got what the hell did I do?
Asiago chicken club sandwich.
Yeah.
And I got big fry, because I'm the big Waddy. And I got a Baconator. No. And I got, all my nuggets is all over.
And she got nuggets too.
I got nuggets.
My sandwich. It's got stuff. It's got bacon, chicken, cheese.
So let me put this cigarette
tomato.
out real quick. So what we're going to do is...
And lettuce and a butt. I'm about to fuck it up.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry as hell.
I didn't eat since yesterday.
So welcome to the Car Chronicles, where we have the most fun.
So...
It's hot. I mean, it's just fresh.
This shit is fresh as fuck. It's mad hot. So, we were asked to burp.
I can burp on demand off of air.
I can't, man.
And I can burp on soda. But we didn't get soda.
We got
Pearberry. Because I'm fancy as fuck. I told you.
So, we'll go get some soda later. So we can burp it up.
For you guys that were asking us to burp, we got
was a guy
something for you.
There was somebody who asked if we can fart. Listen.
I gotta fart right now. Actually. My belly is bubbling.
I can only fart if I drink milk. So,
Ew.
I don't think you want that. Well, apparently you do. We'll do a fart reel, but we're going to give y'all some of this burp action.
I gotta try to stay clean because
Look how delicious it is. Oh yeah, we got to go back to class still.
word. Man, fuck that class. I am not feeling that shit, Jay. You ever been in one of those moods where it's like, fuck everybody today? That's how I'm feeling.
First,
Oh my God.
it's
Didn't I just
usually
say
me.
I gotta be clean?
It's usually me, but it ain't me today. Where we work, something happened this morning.
Yeah.
That shit pissed me off already. I don't know if I want to give that much information. But basically,
It was some unnecessary pettiness
So
about
now-
supplies that somebody actually really needed compared to the person that doesn't really use
that
them.
had a whole fucking drawer full.
So I asked my sister if she could bring me one, well, bring the patient one so they could go to school. Because the anxiety on the mom's face, you could see she was stressed out that her kid was not about to go to school. So
I brought it. Made the mom happy. And Greedy Mom, we're going to call her Greedy Mom, text me before class
talking about she got cameras and she heard that the supply was taken and she would appreciate the supply is hard to
This nigga
get.
has an Empire shirt, bitch.
So she was saying that the supply is hard to get from the company and please ask
Next time. And she trusts us with her kid's life and blah, blah, blah.
Yada, yada.
So now, it's time for me to go be petty later.
I mean,
Make her feel like shit because it wasn't that fucking serious. You got like 100 of them.
yeah, she has
Yes,
supplies.
it's yours, but
and yeah, she took it, but she didn't even...
I didn't take it for myself.
No, and she didn't even get a real explanation about why it was taken. Like, what if I had ordered the supply to her house in
on Amazon
to replace the supply that was taken. You never even gave me a chance to say anything to you. Here you come text me. Bitch, I didn't even work there. All right?
She texted her too.
She
we
text
was in a group
messaged
chat
me
all of a sudden.
Yeah, we got a group chat going on now, y'all. Maybe we should group FaceTime.
So, I basically said, okay, I'm gonna go be petty later.
It's so crunchy.
And then
In this fucking class.
I get to class and this bitch, every day, this bitch asks me some.
Every day there's one person that asks a question. She got a question every fucking time we go to this review course. So this bitch asks her question, and the teacher answers it. But now,
and then the teacher answers it so well that you should get it. The bitch asked the same goddamn
the teacher
question.
repeated herself 3 fucking times. Like, I packed my shit up. I'm like, fuck this. I packed it up.
The whole time I'm like,
I started staring at the ceiling, cleaning my nails. Fuck this class. I'm ready to
this
eat.
bitch is whispering at me.
Yeah, what you want to eat?
Hey, fatty, what you want to eat? And I'm looking at her like,
I was over
bitch,
it.
I'm about to drive this fucking pen through the side of this bitch temple. That's how I felt.
I was over it. She's asking stupid ass questions that should have been answered in school. This is a review course. This is not actual school, guys.
Look at that nugget. Nom, 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 nom.
I can't tolerate stupidity, especially
really
if
can't.
we're all in the same boat. We all graduated. Okay, that means we passed the courses that you're asking questions about. You should have did that shit in school.
Go back.
Fuck are you doing?
And you just took your NCLEX
2 weeks
3
ago.
weeks ago and failed.
And NCLEX is a state board for nursing, in case you're wondering.
You failed that hoe.
No
I
wonder
mean,
why you failed that shit.
I failed it, but I'm not sitting in there asking stupid ass questions.
No.
Stupid.
Stupid dummy.
Stupid
Bitch
fucking
is so
dummy.
stupid.
Ooh.
God.
Mm.
I can't wait to get out of this fucking class just
She's
to
so
get away
dumb.
from her.
And the worst part is, she just started.
I got a ways to go. Oh my god. She gonna get cursed. Y'all gonna see a Car Chronicles where she got cursed out.
Yeah.
Because it's coming.
That shit is bubbling in my motherfucking soul.
Didn't Wendy's used to have like a 6-piece nugget?
Yes.
What the fuck happened to that? What happened to they spicy shits?
Oh, bitch, they took them spicy shits away. I remember because Lulu was like, can I have an order of spicy nuggets? They said we don't got those. She drove the fuck away.
Well, at least it's not hot. Like outside. Because the second it get hot, I'm not doing no fucking Car Chronicles.
Unless I'm making more money and I can put more gas in the car.
So then I turn on the AC.
And then it's on and popping.
Anybody got time for that?
Otherwise,
Oh my god, I really do have to fart though. I don't want to shit on myself though.
no. I don't know if I can do another hour and a half of this bitch.
And we got to do questions.
And we have to do test taking skills.
I told the teacher she better than me because I'd have cursed out like, bitch, read your book. Read your fucking book. You're dragging it. This juicy ass burger. What the fuck?
It's that chicken. And that mayonnaise. And tomato.
God.
But you gotta get it to go.
What happens to the napkin?
Nigga, there was one napkin. Don't worry. You know niggas stayed with the napkins.
Just saying. This is a good ass sandwich. It's so juicy.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
It's about to be lit. Because I definitely don't have no carbonation in there. But I have a Red Bull in my bag.
This is a brand new shirt.
I know, Mom.
It says New York. Got it from H&M for $1.
Oh, shit, you leg. Why do I have 2 sauces? Oh, this is your sauce. This is my sauce holder over here. So, we got something planned for y'all burpers who's asking. To the guy who posted timestamps for every burp.
That was hilarious.
That was the most amusing shit I ever seen in my life.
I didn't realize I was burping so much.
I didn't either, but you know. Ooh, and you know what else? Today's a good day. It's nice outside. It's not hot. It's not cold. And eventually, I'm gonna go take a nap.
Word. But I gotta go to work tonight. I gotta get this money. I'm still eating just a variety of Waddies.
I am the Waddy of all Waddies. Where's my cigarettes at?
I don't know how you be inhaling your food like that. I feel one right here.
It's
bubbling.
coming.
It's bubbling. Are you done with this?
That was another sauce for you.
I don't know.
Oh, well, this ain't we done. So now, this ain't even enough cigarette.
What happened to your pack?
There was one in there.
Oh.
I don't think I got smoke on that. Anyways. Oh yeah, and then our classmate left us. This hoe ain't even come today.
She don't never come.
She really
Brokey
don't.
McGee don't never come.
Brokey McGee. Her black ass don't never come.
She gonna text message me, "Good morning, I'm not coming." I was like, "Good morning."
That said she messaged you straight off like, I'm on the train last time, and you was like, "Good morning." The fuck? Like, hi. How are you? I might drink this fucking. I'm drinking this shit.
Ooh. That felt good. I felt the air release so I could finish these fries.
And then this asshole's asking, why you ain't bring the M&Ms?
This shit was good.
And then I come back and they in the back seat.
They were in the back seat.
They was?
They were there the whole time.
I don't want nobody seeing you.
That's what you get for wearing makeup.
What, that I don't want to see it?
Yeah, they bothering us today.
Who bothering us today?
That girl's irking the fuck out of us today.
Oh, bitch. Let me tell you. This makeup, I didn't plan to wear makeup today. I went to work. So when I go to work, to keep myself like, maybe I'll paint my nails. Maybe I'll do some yoga. Maybe I'll twerk a little bit. Maybe, what's up? Oh yeah, I do my makeup. Maybe I'll take a fucking nap. Bitch, no. I do makeup though, because I need to.
I do be napping though.
God damn it.
I didn't say where.
Now you know. That should be keeping me busy as fuck. Let's hope that my fucking camera don't fly. We did where? Why did we get this? We should have got what we should have.
I should have stuck to what I knew.
Bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup in the middle of the night. And this is the third time that I've tried eyeshadow, and I'm actually proud. Yes, bitch. I'm actually proud of it because it looks damn good. And I wore it out. And I got my little G curls on the side. Boing. So, happy
belly so I can battle this creature. I'm about to go. Ooh.
And that's why I have makeup on. I didn't plan this. I usually wash it off before I come home. Like, if it looks bad, I'll be like, and then I come home and I look like a raccoon because I don't got the good stuff to be like scrubbing my eye and shit.
This is a necessity after eating a cigarette.
This shit puts the cap on top.
It helps you digest.
If you notice from the last video, that cigarette calmed everything down like, hey.
That's how you know the video's coming to an end. The fuck?
Word. It's been 15. It's been 15 minutes. I'm unclear on whether or not I'm talking through my speaker.
Oh, I hope you guys can hear us.
Can you hear me?
I did some awesome ass burp.
Oh, bitch. Please don't let that. Oh, it ain't slide. Alright, you late. But, this was a win.
Whoa. What's your window?
Let me know what else y'all want to hear us eat. I mean, yeah, hear us eat. Hear us, see us eat. Don't ask me no shit about no goddamn Sonics. I don't like fucking Sonics. I don't like Sonics. I don't like that shit. Oh, it's so nasty to me. You might love Sonics.
I don't eat Sonics. I only drink the flushes, so I don't know.
The hot dogs is nasty. I like a good hot dog, like from New York, Hebrew National.
We could do that. We could try.
Oh, bitch.
I know how to make the New York onions, too.
The New York onions is so... Bubby has a whole...
No, I mean from
jar.
scratch.
Oh, them ones from scratch that we make?
Them shit is bomb as
Let me tell you how good them shit... We ate bacon-wrapped hot dogs.
Yes.
With them onions
the New York
and
style
spicy
onions.
mustard across it for like a good 2 weeks straight. Legit. Because we was pumped that we can make it. And it tastes just like home. So, you know what bitch was lit.
Lit.
And we got some shit planned because Bubby, that's our mom, told us that we need better sound.
So you can hear this burp. I'm going to clip it right
so
here.
So you can hear us like, you know what I mean?
That pretty much ends the video, though.
Word.
Like
you got to go back to this shitty-ass class. Word. You can just comment. That shit is amusing.
Your comments are funny.
They're funny as fuck. We're going to mull over this farting situation. Because
I still have to fart, though.
This shit is going to go in a real weird direction if we actually start. And let me tell you, all I need is a milkshake. Not even a milkshake. All I need is a cup of milk, honestly. And I love milk. And I love cheese.
I don't know. Can you hear me? Burping off the air. Well, I mean, I did this.
I know one thing. Our teacher better get this shit together. This whole, oh no, maybe I shouldn't do that.
Yuck. Okay, bye.
Get your midget arm up there and shut it off.